LiveHunt lets you apply your YARA rules to all files sent to VirusTotal from all around the world. Whenever there is a rule match, you get an immediate notification. In this example, we have a YARA rule in which we are using VT module. Most YARA rules are based in patterns found inside the files themselves. However, this is not always enough. Sometimes you may need to create rules that leverage additional information that VirusTotal has about the file. In order to expose all the information that VirusTotal has about the file being scanned, we have created a custom YARA module named VT. This module contains metadata like antivirus signatures, file type, file behavior, submitter, etc. In this example, we use the VT module to detect all new suspicious files uploaded to VirusTotal that match this behavior or have this metadata.